In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate pre-formatted text into your WordPress site in just 5 minutes. Pre-formatted text is really useful when you want to display code snippets or text with a specific format that should remain unchanged. This feature ensures that your text retains all spaces and line breaks exactly as you intended them to be seen. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for WordPress in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the main homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Next, you'll have the option to log in using different methods. For today, we'll continue with Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account without needing to remember another password. Simply click on Continue with Google. This will redirect you to a page where you can select your Google account. Choose the account linked to your WordPress site. It's important to pick the right one to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. On the right hand side of your screen, under the Quick Links section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that. This is where you can make various modifications to your site, including adding pre-formatted text. With your editing page open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll see an Add button. Clicking this button allows you to add different types of blocks to your WordPress page. WordPress utilizes a block-based editor, which makes arranging and customizing your content much more intuitive. In the search bar that appears, you'll want to type in pre-formatted text. As you type, WordPress will suggest blocks related to your query. When you see the pre-formatted text block option appear, go ahead and click on it. This will add a pre-formatted text block to your page. Now you have a pre-formatted text block ready to be used. You can now enter your text into this block and it will keep the formatting exactly as you type it. All lines and spaces will reflect precisely how you input them, making it perfect for code snippets or formatted instructions. That's all there is to it. Now you know the straightforward process of adding pre-formatted text to your WordPress site. This little feature can be incredibly beneficial for bloggers or developers who want their text displayed just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more tips and tricks on managing your WordPress site. See you in the next video.